Hello everyone, this is Fiona from Ether. Welcome to Wuxi Ruizhen Stainless Steel Company. It is specialized in development, research, production of stainless steel products. Ruizhen produces stainless steel coils, bars, profiles, and many other regular or customized products. Steel grade includes 201, 304, 316, 316L, 2205, and so on. Now we are visiting our stainless steel pipe production workshop. Here are hot-rolled stainless steel coils. Here are cold-rolled stainless steel coils. The first step of production is to slit the base material of stainless steel coils into steel strips with required size for stainless steel pipes by stainless steel slitting equipment, and adjust the mold size of the steel pipe production equipment. Then the steel strips will be welded by automatic welding equipment and formed in one time to get customized size stainless steel pipes. On my right side is our stainless steel plate cutting workshop. The maximum flattened width of the steel coil is 2000 mm. The length can be customized according to customers' requirements. And the thickness of steel coils, which can be cut into plates, is 0.3 to 16 mm. Our standing stock is sufficient. The customized production is fast and the delivery is timely.
We can see the steel grade is 304 and the thickness is 8 mm. And this finished product, the thickness is 4.5 mm. And this steel plate thickness is 12 mm. Here the steel grade is 30403 and it is also called 304L.
The thickness is 3 mm. Behind of me is our stainless steel pipe warehouse.
Now we can see here is our stainless steel polish pipe. Let's take a close look at them. Now on my left hand is stainless steel square pipes.
This is another warehouse. We mainly export to Asia, Europe, American, the Middle East, and so on. We also can find that the packing is waterproof.
Here is our Ruizhen's office. Ruizhen always insists on quality first, integrity based, enterprising spirit, sincere attitude, and warm service. Now we are going to visit our sample room, and this is our sales, Sophia. Hi, Sophia. Hi. Could you introduce some of our samples for us?
Yes, sure. For me,
Let's go.
this is our samples with for examples for our customers, covering different grade materials, surface, and size.
Now we can see we have many different grades and materials. Sophia, can you show us more details about that?
Okay, no problem. And produce kinds of surface. This is the cold rolled 2B surface, and this is number 4 surface. This is 8K mirror surface. This is BA surface. This is highline surface. This is SB surface. Also, we can process the kinds of colors: gold color, black color. Here is diamond blades.
We hope to cooperate with you, and we are always at your service to provide the strongest support.
Ether.com, make global trade easier.